Here I have OPPO Find X5 Lite and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the front camera. Then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you have this option flip selfie. So let's take two different pictures to show you the difference, one with this feature enabled and another one with it disabled. And so as you can see, on this one we have lightning from the right side and on this one from the left side, which is the proof that these images are mirrored. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.